name is Judy McLeod, and I'm here to help you learn how to count pips. Now, pips are used in Forex trading. And for those of you who want to learn how to trade Forex, you're probably wondering, well, what is a pip? Well, a pip is a percentage in point, and another way to look at it, unit of measure. Now you're probably thinking, I still don't know what a pip is. Well, let's look at it like this. A change in value between two currencies. And that's what we use in Forex, okay? We deal with currencies. Okay, now let's get started. Now, most pairs have 5 numbers behind the decimal point. Except for the yen pair, it only has 3 numbers behind the decimal point. Now, there are rules in counting pips, and you must remember them when you're counting your pips, okay? I wrote them here for you so you can visibly see them. Let's go over them. Number 1, forget the decimal point when you're counting pips. You don't need it. Rule number 2, you want to cross out the last number. And number 3, you want to cross out all like numbers. Okay? So now, let me demonstrate to you what I'm talking about. Okay. I'm going to put up a pair, and I'm going to show you how to count pips. We're going to start with the euro-dollar pair. Okay, and just let me put my numbers down. Okay, now, for those of you who want to trade and you don't know what these numbers that I'm using, basically when you're in a Forex trade, you have a entry number and a stop loss number, okay? So, and that's very important when you're in a trade, because you need to know how many pips are involved in your trade before you take the trade, okay? So I don't want to go over that just yet, because I just want to explain how to count pips today. But it's very important in determining how many pips you're risking and leveraging in your account. So now, the rule is to forget the decimal point, to cross out the last number, and to cross out all like numbers. So we're going to do just that, okay? So, forget about the decimal, cross out the last number. Now you can exit out or just draw one line through it. However you want to do it is fine. And now you want to cross out all like numbers. All numbers that are the same, okay? Just like that. Cross them out. Now, what's left is 845 and 740. Now we want to subtract the bottom number from the top number, and this will determine how many pips we are looking at in our trade. Okay? And that's basically it. It's very easy and it's very simple, like basic math. That's it. Now I want to do another pair for you so you can get the hang of it. This time I'll do the New Zealand Swiss pair. All right, now my numbers. Okay, now, the New Zealand Swiss pair. The rule is to forget the decimal again, cross out the last number and all like numbers. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Cross it out, exit out, forget about it. You don't really need it. And all like numbers, okay? All like numbers. Now, I see I have 78 and I have 50. And I want to subtract, again, the bottom number from the top number. And I come up with 28 pips. That's it. So easy, right? I could do this all day. This is fun. So now let me show you what the difference is in the yen pair. Basically it's the same. It's no different. No different. Just less numbers. That's it. I'll start with the Aussie yen pair. Okay. Now my numbers are now, there we go. This is a decimal point. Now, forget the decimal point, cross out the last numbers, don't need it, and all like numbers. This one is pretty easy. Not a lot to cross out here. And I'm just going to write down what I see left. 627 and, I'm sorry, it's 727 and 634. And my answer is 93 pips. Okay, I think I did that right. Yeah, 93 pips. Again, that's all it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's all it is to counting pips. If you can commit to memory the rules, then you're counting pips already. Just like that. Okay, I want to do one more yen pair. All right, here we go. I'm going to use the dollar yen. And my numbers are okay. Now, same way we did the last pair. Forget the decimal, cross out the last number, and cross out all like numbers. Right? Now, I have 615, that wasn't crossed out, and I have 594. I'm going to subtract the bottom number from the top number, and I have 21 pips. Again, easy, simple, not hard at all, easy math. A first grader, second, maybe third grader can do this, okay? Not hard at all. And ladies and gentlemen, that's really all there is to counting pips. Just remember the 3 rules for counting and you're counting pips already. So now, that's all I have to share with you today on counting pips. If you like this video, please click the like button for me and leave any comment you have in the comment section. And stay tuned for more tips on how to count pips or how to trade. Thank you.